This is just a quick video to talk about personalizing a kit or a pattern that you get from me. So my kits and patterns are designed as teaching tools to help you learn the technique and create your own work. So I encourage you to take the kit if you buy one and personalize it, add some extra details. This is a quick video of a workshop that I taught last year, and I brought some additional elements with me, some, pear-shaped beads that I allowed the students to add to their kit. So they had a choice of a balloon or a butterfly, and were given the same color palette. And I'm going to show you how different each one of them is. Some of them used more elements than others, but they were encouraged to think outside the box and create something that was uniquely theirs, even though they have a kit. And with bead mosaics, you have the flexibility to do that. So as you can see here, she has a lot of different colors added to hers. Each one of these balloons looks different. Again, they all started with the same color palette. Same with the butterflies. So I encourage you to, look at the kits or the patterns as a base. This is a starting point. This is going to get you started. But what is going to inspire you? What do you like most? Do you want stripes? Do you like different colors? Do you want different elements? Go to your bead stash and look at all of the beads in your stash and think, what can I do differently? What can I add to this or do to make it uniquely mine? Another thing you can do is play around with color. Place a piece of clear plastic over the top, and you can put new colors in and see if they work for you or not. And then they're easy cleanup, and it's a good way to test your theories. Normal kits and patterns are always available on beadmosaic.com, but we also have a create your own kit that's kind of a project starter, and it gives you all the tools and supplies you need to get started on your first project. And then we also carry project bundles that you can get all the supplies you need and use your own beads to create the possibilities.